What are we doing today?
So we're going to go get some lunch. I'm not sure where though, so we're just going to go to town and figure out what to eat.
Yep.
And then we've got to eat real quick and then shoot across town. And we're going to learn how to make ramen today.
I can't get you and me in the frame without having really tall arms.
Alright, whānau, here we are, Doton Buri, during the daytime, 1 PM, and we've come to get some lunch. We've got to eat pretty quickly though, because after this, Tara and I are heading off for ramen class. Yeah, kushikatsu I think we're looking for, and then tonight we'll probably just do whatever. We're going to get bed quite early though, because we have to go to Hiroshima tomorrow. So we're at the kushikatsu place, heading around now. So what it is you get like a dipping sauce, and you dip in like, I think it's like deep fried food. It's pretty much comfort food I think, but we're going to try it out now. You get one dip, unlimited cabbage, chicken, prawn, quail eggs, cheese, beef, and then you dip it in the sauce.
Hard to get by the...
Do you like the quail eggs?
That's not bad.
We just finished eating here in Dontonpuri, Osaka. It was so-so. It wasn't that good actually, to be honest. It cost us $25 US. We got a Coke, it wasn't very filling, it wasn't that good. Lucky we're doing a lot of exercise tomorrow.
Yeah.
Heading to our ramen class, and we've just stopped off in Hanazono, or where the rugby stadium is.
I'm closer to the mountain ranges, and we're just going to find our ramen shop.
Big shakes. Yay!
This is the bike culture in Osaka on just one railway station.
Look what I found, finally. Oh, come here. What's that thing?
What is it?
I don't know. Look at that cup.
What is it? It's a rat.
It's like an otter.
That's a rat,
That's not a rat. What is that, whānau?
That's a rat.
It's not a rat. It's not a rat.
There's some hooni toast. We're at Mama Dani. Look at all the fake food.
In the ramen class today. Now we're having a nice cold beer. Just finished eating here. Beautiful, hit the spot, unlimited rice. Beautiful little tarajade tonkatsu.
Just went over there. It's like a food shop. It's pretty delicious, pretty cheap.